champion, campione. Before we get into today's hashtag live sessions, please consider getting yourself one of the Arise and Shine Champion 40-day inspirational, devotional, transformational tools. We'll drop a link in the description down below. And yep, with that being said, let's get into today's session. Siyabangena.
We are basically agreeing, and whenever two or more agree upon something on this earth, it will be done. And we are agreeing for just quickly three things this morning. Number one, in that specific prayer, I'm hoping that you guys were able to go and spend some time in Ephesians. But those three specific things, number one, that God will give us a spirit of wisdom and revelation to truly know Him better. Because to know Him is to know life, is to have true life, and eternal life as well as abundant life. So that's the first thing we're agreeing upon. And as long as I get one person to agree and say amen with me, we're good.
Amen.
All right? Amen. Thank you, Lord. Okay? So we agreed. So now it's too late for the rest of you in the room because it's going to happen. Now God's going to give us a spirit of wisdom and revelation to us so we can truly know Him better. Because when we realize and know that God is not some grumpy old man that wants to hit us over the head with a baseball bat, things begin to drastically change. When we realize that He actually is a loving Father who loves us. Now I want to, by a show of hands, I want to ask you guys a question, and it's an intentional one, and that is, by a show of hands, who of you in this room actually, you like believe that God is your Father? Just raise up your hand. Like if you believe that God is your Father. You don't have to, but like if you do happen to believe that God is your Father, raise up your hand. Alright? Okay, you can put your hands down. So, believing that truth alone will forever transform your life. Just if we can even stop right there, like if you just have to believe for real, that God, the one who created the universe, the Indian, Pacific, Atlantic Ocean, if you had to believe that He is your Father, it would literally put out any bit of worry in your life. Just believing that one truth. Like I'm talking like you grip that and you hold on to that truth for the rest of your life. Your life will be forever transformed. Just believing that God is your Father.
Amen.
That you are a son, daughter, child of the living God. Like actually, I know we know the song, I'm no longer a slave to fear, I am a child of God. We know the song, but believing it is a different story. Right now, I can see your guys' like physical bodies, right? Your arm, your ears, and some of you I can't see your ears because you know babies and stuff on. I can't see some of you guys' smiles because of the masks, understand it's COVID and so forth. But I can see your physical body. But that's not always the truth about someone. Because you live your thoughts.
Yeah.
You live your thoughts. God is able to see that you can dress nicely, you can have a nice car, you can have a big house, but still hate yourself.
Yeah.
So your physical, alright, has got nothing to do actually with what's happening here on the inside. Because you are your thoughts. The second wisest man to ever live, who is Solomon, he can't be the wisest because Jesus is, alright, but the second nonetheless, he said something interesting in Proverbs chapter 23, verse 7. He says, as a man thinketh in his heart, everyone say heart, so is he. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. I thought that heart means this thing in your chest. It's not what it's talking about. It's talking about your mind. So as a man thinketh in his heart, which is your mind, so are you.